intelligent enterprise. Now, we're quite uniquely positioned for this opportunity this year because we believe that we will be able to enable 25 industries to be able to apply an intelligent enterprise concept within their business. And the best part is that they can apply that concept in country on a local cloud. So by looking at what SAP has been doing in the last couple of years, where we launched our Leonardo platform to host the most emerging technologies in it, where we host things like machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, and blockchain, and be able to allow our intelligent application layers to connect with the digital data hub, leveraging all these emerging technologies. So this will complete an intelligent enterprise stack. So it's a very interesting thing. Now, if you think of the future of urbanism, we are quite very blessed to be in this part of the world because it takes the private sector and the public sector to work hand in hand to create a smart city concept. Now, it takes the government to have the vision to put the right policies and data governance, that's from one side, and to invest in building infrastructure. And then you require the private sector and the government entities to contribute to that ecosystem so that smart city can act as one whole experience. Now, we believe we're quite uniquely positioned, especially in this market where the leadership in the last 2 years, the leadership of this country have already made plans to build the right infrastructure, created the right policies and laws from a data governance point of view. We have invested in a local data center that went live just recently that will allow most of the enterprises to apply all the business models they need without the hassle of worrying about managing the infrastructure, but leveraging and focusing on innovation at the application layer. So all of our themes, if you look at the sub-themes of the event, we will have most of the showcases covering most of the sub-themes to support the whole economy for every private sector to contribute to the future, to build the future urbanism of the region. We are actually more than announced the plans for a data center. We actually went live with our data center. We have already customers that went live on our applications. We're lucky to be one of the first multinationals that invested early enough in that plan to provide public cloud business applications in country. I feel we're in a unique position where our clients don't have anymore to make the choice. If I want to be on the cloud, leverage the best applications from a global company like SAP, but I want to still comply with the local regulations, we can now offer that choice out of country, in the country, leveraging our best applications in the cloud out of UAE and Saudi Arabia. SAP, for the last couple of years, we've been very supportive of the startup community. Now, globally, we've got many programs. We took most of these programs, localized it to the region's needs, and we launched them and we run them through our Training and Development Institute. We have one of our flagship programs is the Startup Focus Program, and that basically we mentor and support specific startups that we believe their mission will add value to our ecosystem and to our clients. We provide them the knowledge and the technology to be able to accelerate their build-up and help them to get to a point where they have a product that can be commercialized. Now, we don't believe only in startups because we believe in the people behind the startups, hence the entrepreneurs. We're very much focused in narrowing the gap of the skill set that's needed, especially the digital skill set, to support the ecosystem and the young generation so they can build up their skills to fuel these startups with the right ideas and execution. Hence, we partnered with the 1 Million Arab Coder Initiative, and we support that program. And we did a lot of support from a CSR point of view also with the Refugee Code Week to support the youth, the Arab youth of the region, to build up their skill set and contribute to the startup economy.